Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today again I am challenging myself and making something different, and I hope you like it, and thank you so much for your lovely comments. The amount of motivation and positive feedback I get from all of you is so amazing. I really don't have words to thank you enough. So let's start the project. And what I'm doing here is that I have taken a green pigment paste. So again, I'm going a bit festive colors this time. So I've selected a green color, then old gold, and then I'm going towards a little bit of brown. So I have my mold. So this is actually a tray mold, and it is a leaf tray mold. So I'm going to do something a bit different with that. So here I'm just mixing the color that I want. So after mixing my color, this is the first one. So I will be pouring the resin into the mold now, and for my other one is the ginkgo leaf. Just make sure that your resin reaches to all of the places, because this is you can say a very thin mold, so we really don't want any air bubbles trapped inside. So this was the second one, and in the second one I just poured the golden color that I mixed into the resin, and then I added some clear gold foil into the clear resin and just added it into the center. After that I'm going to do the same to the other one. I'm just tapping it so that in this way, as I explained, that I just want no air bubbles in my trinket dishes. The rest of the resin I'm going to add to this one, and then I will leave this to cure. See you next day. So this is the next day. I'm going to remold both of them. So this is the first one. I really love this trinket dish. It has some texture inside. I was thinking that it's going to be a very plain one, but it has a lovely texture. So I'm loving it. And on to the next one, my ginkgo leaf. I have this mold for so long, and I am planning to make so many things out of it, and then there is so much shortage of time. Then yeah, I really want to do projects with this one. Thankfully I'm doing the first one today. And here we go, my leaf is out of the mold, and this is how it's looking like. I really love how this one turns out. So this is the first one, and this is the second one. Now I'm going to make the third one, and for my third one I'm going to use the leaf mold again. So here I'm going to do a custom color to this. I'm going to add some white, and then I'm going to add some brown color. So before adding the resin into the mold, I thought I'm going to pour some alcoholing. So it is a reverse alcoholing sort of technique I'm doing here. We will see how this turns out. I got too much with the alcoholing here. Now I'm going to pour the resin. So here we go, I'm pouring the resin, and just make sure that again there should be no air bubbles trapped inside. And after that I will leave this to cure, and I will see you next day. So this is the next day. I'm going to remold, and let's see how this one turns out. And my tray is out of the mold. I want to see how this one turns out as I poured alcohol ink in this one. So here we go. It has a lovely effect. I'm loving it. So on to the next step. And for my next step, just wait a little bit and I will show you what I will be doing that with them. At the moment, I'm going to show all three of them. So this is the second one and this is the third one. So this is a festive color scheme that I'm going for. So here I'm just arranging them in my mind, how I'm going to set them. So hopefully now a lot of you got the idea what I will be doing here. So I have taken out my tray stand findings. So this is going to be a tray stand. Instead of going with the simple one, I thought I'm going to use these leaf molds to create something unique and different that would be lovely for your table. So I'm using the golden color. So this is a cordless drill by Let's Resin and I was so happy to get this one, and because I had a big one power tool and I always have to take that one out. So I really wanted something really small and I was so happy that Let's Resin was doing this one. So here we go. Let's open it and see what we get inside the drill box. It is really handy for making the jewelries. I was planning to make some jewelry video and use these, but this one came beforehand. So no worry, we will use this one before. So this is the instruction manual. If you want to read all the details, it is fairly simple to use. So it has a charging wire. This is a deburring tool for the coasters. If I will use that one in another video, but today we are going to use the cordless drill. So this is how it works. It has 3 speeds and you get a number of sizes for the drilling bit. So here I'm going to open the box and we will see what we get into the box, and you can see there are the sizes. So I'm going to select the one that I'm going to use. You just had to press the silver button that is on the side, this one, and then you can screw that off and you can put whatever size you want. It's really fairly simple to use. And the smallest size is this one, perfect for making jewelry items. I will be using this one when I will be making a jewelry, hopefully really soon. So that's the drilling machine. So we will continue the project now. So I've taken out the bits that I want, and so here, this is such a handy machine. I've been using this too much in my projects now, and I'm going to show you here again that I'm changing the drill bit. I think I need a bigger size, the biggest one. So I'm going to take that one out, and then I will be putting that onto my cordless drill. So I just marked the area where I want the drill bit to be. So let's start the drilling bit. I have done drilling on the smaller pieces, but not this one big. So this is a test here. We will see how this one turns out. And we can see that it is happening. I'm really happy that this is such a powerful one. It is small, but it is powerful. Don't get with the size of this one. And here we go. I'm just showing you everything that I'm doing here. And it made the hole really perfect. And now I will be putting this. So you can increase the size by revolving it around inside like this. Just be careful. If you're a beginner, I would suggest you to be really careful. I do a lot of drilling, so I know how to handle it. So in this way, I will be drilling all of these, rest of them. So all the drillings are done now. Now I'm going to put these inside one by one. And then I will be making this stand. I was so excited that I was really loving this idea. We will see how this tray turns out. So after putting the finding, I did add a little bit of detail, and let's see how this one's turned out. So this is the final look. I added a little bit of pine cones, a crystal onto the second one, and on the third one, some berries, our festive Christmas berries, and this is how it is looking like. Added a little bit of ribbon
So
on
you can
top. Put little cupcakes also onto this. So it is a festive tray, perfect for your dining tables, for your centerpiece, anything. It was an idea and I really enjoyed making it, and I hope you like it to do. And if you do, please do let me know in comments, and I will link everything in my description. Like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.